Hi, hello. Welcome back. This is ACM ICPC Training number 38. Number 38, yes. Well, looking at the section 2.2.3, Runaround Numbers. Let's see the questions. Yes. All right. Basically, a runaround number is you have a number. For example, like A1362, and then you repeatedly write this number following, like 81382, 81382, and blah 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 blah. Maybe we take example. Let me find an example. 81362. Yes. Hold on. Let's try to wait. What happened? Let me share this. Okay, cool. Let's say 81362. Okay, if you find an 8, then you go to then this is the steps you need to go and find next numbers. So 8 means 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got a 6, and 6 makes next 6 steps. Let's back up. I have visit 8. I visit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I get 2. And 2, 1, 2. I got a 1. And 1. I got 3. And now I have already go through all the numbers inside this number. So 81362 called a Runaround Numbers. The question will give you a number n, and you need to find out who is Runaround Numbers, which is n plus n. I think let's bring up the code and directly go to algorithm. It's straightforward. Okay, cool. It's like this. Well, the mean for 1 is very easy. We see in this number, and definitely this number is, because we are going to find the numbers after this, so m itself is not considered. So we plus it first, so it's the next number, and then we write a check function. We find a check function, and the check function is m. If check is true, then it's true. If check is false, then we m plus, and then check again until we get an answer. So then, at the end, we just print out this number. So this is my check function. Well, quite long. Because the range of the question, I use Einstein long, because you cannot get a negative number. So n. SF string is to translate a number to a string. So I use this one. So finally, the S is gonna be the number. For example, here you're gonna get like A1362. Yes, and then the str is the empty string just for backup. First of all, there's no way this string needs 0, because 0 step means it's gonna trap there. So if ever any 0 inside, you return false, and you check noms. What do you mean by check nom is if you find the number repeat itself. For example, if you have a number like 22 repeat itself, then it's also not considered, because by some point it's gonna repeat itself. So this checksum is just to find if there are any repeating numbers, and then we are starting to construct. You can test it out for any number. They just need to repeat for 3 times, and then you can you can actually do the search, and the search will actually looking good. So I just repeating 3 times and store the result to str, and finally, and here I fill an A to all 0. That means from A0 to A9 all equal to 0, right? And then this will track how many times I have traveled for certain numbers from 0 to 9. Of course, 0 don't really have 1. So str0 minus 0 is equal to 1. This is because we never actually visit. This is starting point. str0 is a starting point. So the starting point get 1, and then we simulate this procedure by using this while loop. This while loop is as long as our searching point is not at the end of the str, where our search is still going on. So L plus 0 strl minus 0. This means a step. For example, if you have 8, and then you minus with 0, you got an 8. Then it's 8 steps. And then if L still less than the length, the character will plus, and that's it. And after this searching, we got this for loop. This for loop is I minus minus. Why? Because in the 3 times, you should actually travel everything at least once. I mean, all the numbers at least once. However, for some numbers, for example, like the first number, maybe twice. So I just minus to make the one who haven't been traveled as the -1. So if I find someone in the original string in A is less than 0, that means it's never been traveled before. So I know this is not a run around number, and then otherwise everything true. And following this searching, and finally we got the result. It's a simple simulation work, not really need to do having more algorithm. I guess that's almost it. Thanks.